Welcome to Invisible Studio Tips and Tricks. Today, we'll show you how to create original music for your content directly inside the Invisible Studio editor. In the video editing module, click the Add Music button on the left panel. From here, you can upload music to your personal library by dragging and dropping files, clicking to choose music from your computer, or create something brand new. To create original music, click Generate Music. Describe the style you want, like upbeat, grinchy Christmas music. Need inspiration? Pick from one of the example prompts to get started. You can also choose how long you want your track to be, so it fits perfectly with your content. Once you're ready, click Generate Music. In just seconds, your original track is created. When your music is ready, you'll get a notification and can instantly add it to your timeline. With Invisible Studio, creating custom music is fast, simple, and built for your workflow. Start generating music that matches your story, one track at a time.